This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Teresa Ulrich. Custom wood full glass double front doors open to pool home, lovingly updated and maintained by custom builder owners. Open flowing floor plan custom features create an indoor-outdoor living experience. Plenty of space for family life and family friends entertainment atmosphere. Spacious master bedroom, walk-in closet with built-ins. Master bath walk-in dual shower, oversized soaking garden tub, 3-drawer storage vessel sinks, private water closet, and more. Sound system wired and built-in speakers throughout. Coffered tray ceilings, living and family rooms. Living room 8x9 pocket sliders open to lanai, outdoor kitchen, pool spa, and oversized screened enclosure. Family room built-in bookcase and entertainment center. Large mitered glass window and breakfast nook. Designer kitchen, custom cabinets, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, huge pantry. Ceiling fans in all sound insulated bedrooms. 4th bedroom bamboo floor and built-in office desk. Oversized 3-car garage, 8 overhead doors, storage cabinets, bonus attic storage, stamp-crete driveway and walk. New roof 12/2018. Spanish Wells is located about 3 miles from the beach and 18.8 miles from Southwest Florida International Airport. For more information, review the details below or contact Teresa Ulrich at 239-340-2978.